Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Now we discuss IELTS Writing 2026 Complete 1 Week Strategy for Band 7 Plus Task 1 and Task 2 Preparation. English with Afshan. Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Afshan. If your IELTS test is coming soon and you only have 1 week left to prepare for the writing section, don't worry. In today's video, I am going to share a complete 7-day strategy that can help you achieve Band 7 or higher in IELTS writing, even if you feel your writing is weak. So please follow, watch and share this channel and watch this video until the end. We will talk about Task 1 strategy, Task 2 strategy, daily practice plan and common mistakes that students must avoid. So make sure you watch this video until the end. Let's get started. This video is very important. All of the IELTS writing students. First, let's understand the structure of the IELTS writing test. In the writing section, you will get 2 tasks. Task 1, you need to describe graphs, charts, process or maps in that at least 150 words. And task 2, you need to write an essay of at least 250 words. Task 2 is more important because it carries double marks, so you should spend more time on it. Now let's move to the 7 days preparation strategy. This strategy is very important for each student. Day 1. Understand the format. On the first day, focus on understanding the question types in both tasks. For task 1, learn the types like line graphs, bar charts, pie charts, tables, process diagrams, and maps. For task 2, understand common essay types, opinion essay, discussion essay, problem solution essay, advantage and disadvantage essays. Do not start writing immediately. First, understand how answers are structured. Day 2, learn task 1 structure. Task 1 has a sample for paragraph structure. Paragraph 1, introduction. Paraphrase in question. Paragraph 2, overview. Explain the main trends or key features. Paragraph 3 and 4, details. Compare important data and provide specific numbers. Share just your knowledge and experience. One important tip, do not describe every number. Only focus on important trends and comparisons. Focus on your story and focus on your own knowledge and your experience. Share this. Day 3, Task 1, vocabulary and practice. On the third day, practice trend vocabulary such as increase, decrease, rise, fall, fluctuate, remain stable. This vocabulary is important for your writing and speaking dramatically, slightly, courageously. Then practice 2 tasks and question and check if your answer has an introduction, overview, clear comparisons. Day 4. Learn task 2 essay structure. Now focus on task 2. A band 7 essay usually follow this structure. Introduction, body paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and conclusion. In the introduction, paraphrase the topic. Give your opinion or outline your idea. Each body paragraph should include a clear main idea, explanation and example. This structure helps examiners easily understand your argument. Day 5. Practice idea generation. Many students lose marks because they cannot think of ideas quickly. So on day 5, practice brainstorming. Take 5 different essays question and write 2 ideas for each side. Your ideas are very important for your writing. Example, to smooth your ideas. This will help you write faster during the exam. Day 6. Full writing practice. Now, simulate the real test write. Task 1 in 20 minutes and task 2 in 40 minutes. Time management is most important part of your task. After writing, check these 4 band criteria. Task, achievement, coherence and cohesion. lexical resources, grammatical range, and accuracy. Try to identify your common mistake. And day 7, final improvement day of the last day. Review your previous essays. Correct grammar mistakes. Improve vocabulary. Rewrite on essay to make it better. Also practice writing clear topic sentences and strong conclusions. These are most important. Now let me share 3 important tips for Band 7 Plus. Tip number 1. Use variety in vocabulary, but do not use very difficult words incorrectly. Tip number 2. Focus on clear structure and logical ideas. Number 3. Always check your grammar, especially articles, tenses, subject verb agreement. And remember, writing improvement comes from practice and feedback. If you follow this 7-day strategy, you can significantly improve your writing score. I hope this video helped you prepare for your IELTS writing test. Inshallah. If you found this video useful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who are preparing for IELTS. I will make more videos to help your improvement. Thank you for watching English with Afshan. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.